Hi friends, this video shows how to delete connected mobile phone from Canon EOS R50 camera. You can see I already connected this Canon R50 camera to this mobile phone. In this Canon Camera Connect app, you can see uh, it's already connected using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can see Bluetooth and Wi-Fi symbols here. I can control this camera using this mobile phone. See, let me tap on shoot. See, okay, so next I am going to show you how we can delete this connected phone from this camera. So in camera, go to menu, then we have to select this fourth option from top. Okay, then go to option 1, then here we have to select connect to smartphone, first option. Then we have to disconnect. First we have to disconnect. We can disconnect using this camera, or we can disconnect from here. We can tap here and disconnect. So let me disconnect using this camera, then select OK. Done. I am going to delete this phone CP82321. Select edit or delete device, then select the phone which we want to delete, then select delete connection information, then select OK. Okay, done, deleted. So this way we can delete registered phone from Canon EOS R50 camera. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.